Welcome to a video that's designed to save you time and money by walking you through the step-by-step process of installing your new GIVI parts and accessories. This is a general overview installation, so it doesn't matter which make or model motorcycle you have, these tips and steps should be exactly what you need for a proper install. Today we're looking at the SRA rear rack for a GIVI top case. Before we get to the specific step-by-step process for this item, we have a couple basic tips that'll set you up for success. Tip 1. Did your GIVI parts arrive alive, or did you get a smashed in, bashed in box that looks like it was run over on the loading dock? If there appears to be any damage, refuse it and send it back to where it came from. Tip 2. Carefully open your new GIVI parts as if you knew you were going to return them, because mistakes happen and you might have to. Items that are returned in the same manner they were shipped are easily processed for the quickest turnaround and refunds. Tip 3. Once you've carefully opened your package and parts, make sure it's all there. Each part comes with printed instructions. The first page of those printed instructions is a list of everything you'll need to do for this install. So before you get started, make sure you have all the correct items and quantities. The best way to do this is to lay everything out and check it against the parts list. Another benefit to laying everything out is that you have to touch each part. This is a good time to look at each piece and check the threads to make sure none of them are damaged or improperly made. Tip 4. Make sure you have every tool you need before you get started. Page 2 of the instructions shows you which tools you'll need for this project. Depending on the instructions for each part, it may or may not call for a torque wrench, but you'll want to add that to your list of tools. Now, if there's one tip that'll help you avoid a headache, it would be this one. Tip number 5, keep it loose. Hand thread the bolts in just enough to keep them on, but don't tighten them. Keeping it loose will really help when it comes time to put other parts and bolts into place. That's it for our top tips to a successful GIVI install. Now here's the step-by-step process. All right, so this is a general overview for installing our top case mounting kit. Now today you're gonna see a BMW GS 1200, but this step-by-step process should help you with any make and motorcycle that you have. Now the first step to any installation is gonna be to line up our mounting points just to give us an idea of what we're working with. Step 2, remove these 4 bolts. For step 3, we're going to install our 4 spacers. So step 4, we're going to install our adapter plate. Now you notice that this side folds down just a little bit, and that's the side that's going to be facing you. Once you've threaded your bolts into the adapter plate, you're going to want to put the nut on the other side. Now, if you've watched any of our other installation videos, you've probably heard me say keep it loose, but that's not the case with this adapter plate. We're going to want to tighten it up and torque to spec. Step 5 is installing our top case mounting plate. To do this, we're going to need 2 different types of screws. There's a long screw and there's a short screw. The long screws will go down here towards the bottom. And then be sure to place your nut on the underside. All right, so when you go to put these front 2 long bolts in, don't tighten them down all the way. Just get them within probably a 1/4 inch and give yourself a little bit of play for this rear area, which is where these shorter but fatter bolts are going to go. All right, so these top 2 bolts also have a nut that goes underneath. All right, so we have 4 bolts in place. Everything's still a little loose, and now that it fits, it's time to tighten it down.
Step 6, install our top box. In this case, it's the Trekker Outback. So you've made the investment in GIVI quality and Italian styling, so it's a good idea to wipe it off and keep this thing clean. Another good idea, periodic maintenance. Every time you go to change your oil, go ahead and make checking these bolts part of that process because bolts do come loose. So that's our general overview installation for GIVI's top case mount.